Hey, what's up, you guys? So do you want to learn how I use TikTok for my affiliate marketing business? In this video, I'm going to show you how I generated $20,000 last month with my TikTok marketing business. I'm going to show you step by step, and I'm going to show you proof that TikTok is extremely powerful, especially for your online business. Guys, check it out, all right? So I'm going to go into my Google Analytics here, all right? And you're going to see all the overall traffic of my business. All right. Now I do want to show you, this is going to be between October 1st and October 31st. Okay. So you can see here on the top right. Okay. October 1st to October 31st. So this is 30 days. You can see here. All right. Now this is what I want to show you. Okay. In the last 30 days, I've been able to generate about 12,000 visits to my website. All right. Now you can see here about 12,000 visits here. And most of this has been from direct. Now, for some reason, Google Analytics doesn't see TikTok as a social platform yet. So this is all, about 95% of this direct is coming from TikTok. So we can say about 7,000 visits from TikTok. That being said, that's getting more than my YouTube channel, which is just insane, okay? Now, I just want to show you the income that TikTok has generated me in the last 30 days, all right? So I'm going to go to my YouTube Analytics, and you can see here, just in the month of October, almost $1,000 with my YouTube ad revenue, okay? Now, a lot of this has been coming from TikTok because I push a lot of people from my TikTok to my YouTube channel, okay? So $1,000 here, you can see one of my PayPal accounts, about $2,000 in the last 30 days here, okay? Another PayPal account here, another $4,500, you can see in the last 30 days. And then if I go to one of my Stripe accounts here in the last 30 days, you can see about $13,000 here. And if I go to another affiliate program here, $500 pending here, another $441 in the last 30 days. You can see about another $1,000 in the last 30 days here in October. And I'm just specifically talking about October because I didn't really post much content. I'm going to show you my whole system, guys, throughout this whole training, all right? And then one more here. I have about 20 income streams here, but I just want to show you just a few of my income streams. You can see this is a get response here, about $135 pending. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys exactly how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how you can generate traffic with YouTube, TikTok, how you can make money online, and of course, affiliate marketing. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. All right, guys, so how did I actually do this? How does this whole system work? I'm going to break this down completely inside this video. All right. So this is my whole system explained. All right. So I use TikTok to build an email list. That's like a 30,000 foot overview. That's basically what we're doing here. Okay. The reason we're doing that, all right, is because TikTok is a way to generate a ton of traffic fairly quickly. I'm gonna prove to you guys that in just a little bit, but this is my system here. Now, the main goal is to get emails, all right? Because once I grab an email, now I can promote multiple offers. That's why I have multiple income streams in my affiliate marketing business, because once I grab that email, I can then promote other products. Okay. So for example, here, I grab an email, right? That's the main goal of my whole business, is to grab somebody's email. All right. Now, once I do that, once I have them in my email list, right? Once I get them in here, they're in my email list, right? Now I can send emails whenever I want. I can go to affiliate offer number 2. I can go to affiliate offer number 3 and number 4, and so on and so on. Because once they're on my email list, they're my customers for life. Now, this is a misconception I get all the time. And people say, well, I thought you're only supposed to focus on one product. And that's absolutely true. Now, what I teach, okay, is you want to focus on that one product just to get that email address, right? Now, you don't want to be focused on like 5-10 different products, with different email pages, right? For example, you just want to focus on one product and get people's email with that one product. Once they're on your email list, then you can go ahead and promote other products, other softwares that you then recommend, okay? For example, this is one of my email pages here. A program I promoted is called Legendary Marketer. Let me just show you one of the pages here, because this is, let me see if I can pull it up for you guys. I don't have it on real quick. Income styles. youtube.com/legend. Okay. Now this is my email page for this product here. Okay. Now in this page here, people then enter their email address. Once I have their email, I can go promote other products, right? Now, people might buy that first product right away, right? They might go ahead and purchase that product, and I can still, recommend other products as well. But the main goal when you're starting your business is you want to be able to promote one product and collect that email for that one product. Once you do that, you can then promote multiple products, because they're on your email list, right? Now, take it a step further. What I like to do is send people to, multiple areas I can then nurture that person, right? So for example, instead of just sending them to offer, right? What I like to do is build trust with my customers. So instead of sending them to offer, maybe what you can do is send them to your YouTube channel, right? So you can send them to a YouTube video, okay? Or you could send them to a Facebook group here, right? Because then I can then build trust with my customers, okay? So for example, when they first get on my email list, I can say, hey, check out this video on, how to make $10,000 a month with YouTube, right? I can send them to this video here. Because with my YouTube channel, I could then build more trust and nurture that person a lot more, right? So instead of just sending them to offer, I'm using TikTok to really grow my business and brand, right? This is how you grow a long-term business. And this is how I've been able to grow, to $20,000 per month using TikTok. And the crazy thing is I didn't even post much in the month of October, okay? So I recently just started posting a little bit more towards the end of October. Because I got really busy with a couple projects I was working on. But all we're doing here, guys, is we know our target audience. We know the product that we're trying to promote. So the main goal in every single one of my videos is to teach, educate, and inspire inside my videos. Now, at the end of my videos, every single one of my videos, I have a call to action, all right? The main goal is to get them to this link here, okay? This is the link we're trying to get them to, because if we can get them to that link, then we're driving traffic, right? We're taking people from TikTok to this email page where then I could collect their email address, right? Now, again, you do have to have a highly converting affiliate offer, something that you recommend, that you highly believe in. If you do that, then you can then collect an email. And then once they're on your email list, it's game over, guys. You build that business, you build that asset for life, and your email address, your email list just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and you make more and more money. It's crazy the way it works, okay? Basically, the way it works is you can make about 50 cents to $1, okay, per email per month. Okay, so for example, if you were to have $10,000 or 10,000 people on your email list, okay? If you have 10,000 people on your email list, that's about $10,000 on the higher end and about $5,000 a month on the lower end, okay? So you can see the power of having an email list, okay? That's basically what you can make with having an email list, about 50 cents per subscriber per month, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully I didn't confuse anyone there. But yeah, basically, if you're just starting out, building an email list, it's about 50 cents per subscriber per month, okay? But anyways, that's basically my whole system, guys, all right? I'm taking people from TikTok, I'm taking them to an opt-in page or a place I can collect an email, and then from there, once they're on my email list, I can promote multiple products anytime I want because they're on my email list. Now, I didn't go through how to actually pick an affiliate offer. I have a ton of videos on how you can do that, but it's very important that you pick an offer that you believe in, that you know can help people, and that's in your niche, right? This doesn't just work for the make money online niche, guys. This works for any niche. If you're a dog trainer, if you help people with anxiety, if you help people with health and fitness, it really doesn't matter, right? If you have an affiliate offer on health, right? Let's just say keto, right? If you have an offer on keto, you have an email page here saying, hey, do you want to learn how you can burn weight or burn fat using keto, right? Or something like that, right? So they enter their email here. They can get the offer if they want, but now you can give them multiple offers on health and fitness, right? Because you want to make sure that your niche is specific to why they enter their email, right? You don't want to just go and promote different offers, right? So for example, if you're in the keto niche, right, you might have an offer on intermittent fasting. Okay, you might have an offer on intermittent fasting or an offer on nutrition, right? Basically, you want to have different offers as long as it's similar to the one that you're promoting, okay? So hopefully that makes sense, guys, but that's my whole system on how I use TikTok to make about $20,000 per month. And again, guys, let me just show you some analytics here, okay? I didn't post much in October. I want to show you guys, I didn't post much in the month of October because of how busy I was the whole month. Now, I did start posting a lot towards the end of the month, but let me show you some analytics here, okay? And this is why I like TikTok so much, because your content can go viral right now. It's like the 2012 Instagram where people will just post online and they would get tons and tons of traffic. Now, what I like to do is get people to my link so I can build my email list. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing that you can do, is to build that email list. Now, you can see here, in the last 7 days, okay, this is just insane. In the last 7 days, okay, you can see October 25th to October 31st, almost 500,000 views with my TikTok following, okay? Not only that, okay, in the last 7 days, 18,000 people have viewed my profile. What that means is they actually clicked to go see my profile here, okay? Now, what I do here, this is very strategic, is I tell people who I am, right? Okay, so I went from engineering to affiliate marketing, okay? And then I say what I do and how I could help them, right? So I show them how to start a business from scratch, my A to Z training, right? So I give them a reason why they should click the link, right? It's not just, hey, go to my link and click it. I give them an actual reason on why they should do it. So, you know, you can see in the last 7 days, 18,000 people have viewed my profile. And out of those people, okay, out of those people here, we can see a good amount actually click through my link, right? And we know that because of Google Analytics here, right? In the last 30 days, about 7,000 people have gone to my TikTok or have gone to my link straight from TikTok, okay? And some of those have even gone to YouTube. That's the reason why I've been able to generate a lot more income using YouTube, all right? So guys, TikTok is extremely powerful. This has really blown up my business, and it's not even my main source of traffic. For those of you who know, YouTube is my main source of traffic. I will always stick to YouTube, but TikTok's a way you can really, you know, fuel your business because of the viral traffic you can get. Now, guys, I can go way deep into this, and there's, you know, I have a whole process on how I build my affiliate marketing business. But I want to invite you guys to a training that I did. I just released it a few weeks ago, and this is the exact training that basically brought me from negative $1,200 in my bank account. You can see here on May 10th, 2019, I had negative $1,200 in my bank account, okay? Now, 5 days later after this, I actually started my affiliate marketing business, all right? So you can see on May 10th, 2019 here, this is my bank account. 5 days later, okay, I created my first YouTube video, and I basically started my first online business as an affiliate marketer. And I created a training on this, all right? I'm going to take you through my whole process on how I went from negative $1,200 in my bank account to creating a 6-figure affiliate marketing business, okay? Because 9 months after this, right? 9 months after I created my first video, after I created my business, I actually quit my job. I quit my job as an affiliate, as an electrical engineer, and to go full-time with affiliate marketing. And guys, the crazy thing is this is 2 weeks before the pandemic actually happened. What's crazy is a lot of people lost their jobs because you got to realize, guys, a job isn't safe, okay? Like, it's not as safe as you think it is. And, you know, for me, I was just not happy at my job, and I wanted to make sure that I can make things happen, and I had the financial freedom and the time freedom that I always wanted. So I want to invite you guys to a training that I just did about a couple weeks ago. It's going to be the first link in the bio. It's going to take you through my whole system, guys, in complete detail. How I was able to go from basically $1,200 in my bank account to creating a 6-figure business and quitting my job. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I want to let you guys know that TikTok is extremely powerful in that, you know, you can use it to really blow up your business. So I hope this video was of value. Shoot me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. You guys have a good day, and God bless.